Moin moin ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Donboxing, and today for you I have something again from Rose Techniques, and let's see what they actually sent over. So again, usual disclaimer here, right? They sent this over for review, but they have not asked or influenced me to pay anything. And this time the package actually is not squished, so that's nice to see. Unlike last time where something at DHL was absolutely going on and they literally drove over with a truck or something like that. So yes, this time they sent over the OpenFree and sports, I don't want to say like in-ear, is it like an on-ear? I'm not sure how to describe that. And yeah, this thing was in development for some time there, and yeah, they have already offered, I think like months ago, to send it over. But it was not ready, and now it finally is, and we check out that this thing can or can't do here. Let me directly remove the packaging here before we take a look at the spec sheet at the back here. So, bass enhancement technology U, equal loudness contour tuning. Okay, we will definitely check that out. 3D ergonomic design, open health hearing protection algorithm. Avoids hearing fatigue. Okay, very interesting. AI noise reduction, interesting. And most importantly for most people probably, it's IPX4 sweat resistant. So that means you can use it basically by jogging and workout. Some rain should be okay, but heavy rain might still be an issue. Yeah, so what is in the box here? Charging case, charging cable, user menu, and again the OpenFree. And you can get their app here, and again this packaging looks pretty nice. Cardboard is pretty thick. Design I also like here. This is definitely nice and vibrant without being too kiddish, so I like that. So then let's see how to open this. Okay, it is a bit tight in here, I can already tell you. So we need to shake it. If shaking is working, that is. Okay, got it. Almost. Okay, it is very difficult to open. But yeah, that's how it looks. And size-wise, this is actually smaller than I expected. This is basically the size of most true wireless in-ears. Perhaps a tad bigger than some of them, but not much overall. And let's quickly check out the accessories here. USB-C, this is the manual. We also take a quick look at the manual we already added. And see how to remove this here. Can you remove it? Is it glued in? How is this? Not sure if I'm just stupid or if it is. Okay, it's really tight in here. Okay, it's very tight in here, so you can see. Let's check out the USB-C cable. Let's see what we get here. Okay, it's a random ass cheap USB-C cable, length approximately 15 centimeters, maybe 10. Yeah, thickness of the cable though is pretty okay. It's USB A to C. It's not branded, so just very random. Or actually, before I take a look at the thing, let's quickly check out the manual. Let's see how the manual is layouted. Whoop. Let's open it. We are not interested in Chinese. So here, safety precautions, English is on top here. They tell us about pairing, they tell us about resetting. There's some charging information here, warranty, so not much to go on here, just the standard information. But at least layouting is done nicely here, so let's also close that. And now take a look at the actual product here. So first, let's open this, which is glued pretty close, but let's remove it. Whoop. And let's see the charging case here. So first, this is feeling a bit sticky. It's a bit odd of in texture, I have to say. Usually these are pretty smooth. It's sticky. I don't know why. The plastic here looks a bit cheap, honestly, but the hand feeling is a bit nicer than it actually looks. There's no information at the bottom here. At the back, I think this is a reset button. The charging port is also integrated here. And the front bear logo and an LED. It starts to light if you open it. And in the inside does look like this. Let's give it a quick shutdown test. Closes relatively easily. and opens relatively easily. I would prefer a bit stronger magnets, especially for sport. And what I do like is here the inclusion of this metal inlet, so you can put a string and just attach it to, I don't know, your keychain or something else. That's nice to see, especially for a device that is sporty, that you probably just throw on or attach somewhere and then call it a day. And then on the inside here, there's a tiny bit of information. Color scheme is kept overall nicely. Let's just make everything free here. We don't want any distractions, I said. No distractions. You go out. And let's remove one of the devices and check out how this actually looks. So this is the inside, I guess, here, and this is the thing that is transducing. It does look a bit smaller in real life than I expected from the pictures here. And I guess this probably has the battery on this side here. Yeah, the charging contact. And the other side, yeah, is really just a transducer. Let's quickly give it a bending test here. Medium firm, I would say. We'll definitively, of course, need to wear it in order to say how comfortable it is. Also, this is not adjustable in terms of width or like depth, so let's see how it fits my ear. And material wise, let's see, this is 1-to-1 the same material, so that is nice that it matches. And there's also, I think this is a microphone hole, I guess, and this probably as well. And yeah, the outlet for actual audio is here on the inside. So actually, let's quickly get my fake ear and let's see how it actually looks on an ear. And here we are with my fake ear. Let's see, I'm not even sure which side I have here. Is this left or is this right? Very good question. Let's see which one fits rather on this one. So again, I said the outlet is here and I think it's supposed to attach something like this? Question mark. Not entirely sure. Let maybe check the menu again if there's any instructions on how to attach it. Safety, nope. Nope. Pairing, resetting, charging. There's no information on how to put it in your ear here. So maybe they should have given us an instruction here, because I'm not entirely sure how this is supposed to be mounted in your ear. Maybe let's see the other side if that does a difference here. Actually doesn't. It basically looks exactly the same. So yeah, my best guess is something like this. So it actually does insert something in your ear, but then this is not going in the right orientation here. Like this also doesn't fit. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure how this is supposed to fit in here. So I also probably won't be able to measure it. But yeah, let's see. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Questions, recommendations, or criticisms, please leave a comment. Donspektor out.